Chongqing chassis factory do not use robot so frequently, very few. But just recent 5 years, especially after today is January 7th. This is Frank. Hello, my friend around the world. Today we come here to our not our chassis plant, our chassis supplier. We will produce our high level chassis here. Actually, the robot here, the welding are all made by robots. And our model with Vertemati will produce chassis here. One robot taking care of two working board. Somebody put a spare part here, then the robot will weld it. Then the people will go that side to put the spare part. Then after finishing, then the robot will go that side to work. Then the people just come here to take out the finished parts. Then when the robot finishes the work in that side, the people go there, then go back, always like this. You see, it is keeping the people going this side and that side to work.
Frank,
Yeah?
later please send me some video you made.
Okay.
You are better than me.
Of
You are
course.
professional.
Of course. I just send you all the original video. Video.
Maybe
Yeah.
just 10 seconds or only the full video. No problem.
Can you eat it? Actually started from 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Chongqing chassis factory do not use robot so frequently. Very few. But just recent 5 years, especially after the COVID, start from COVID at that time, everybody just stay at home and in the company to do homework. So China started to use very robots. Anyway, this is very interesting, huh? So that we can make sure the quality and the product accordance would be very good, which means all the parts was produced in the same way. Yeah, you see, this one he just finished working in this side, then he go to work in the other side. Very smart, huh? Then the people just take it down, so that you can see. Before we have the plant have to pay very high salary to the welder to do welding. Maybe 2,000 euro, 2,000 US dollar per month. But now we just use a robot and use normal people to take the product out and put the material on inside, so that it can save a lot of the cost actually. And no neighbor, and it can, and some plant it is, if it is very automatic, the spare parts will be taken out by robot also, so that the plant can work at night and nobody in the home. Nobody in the plant. The plant just work by himself. It also is possible in that way. So this is how China produces to produce product now. So don't complain China over capacity, okay? Anyway, this is the way we produce. He working that way. He will take it out. Take it out. See, he take it out. Then he works here. Very interesting, huh? So this is it. This is France. Today is January what? January 9? I don't know. Because very soon we will start to produce our chassis in this plant. Our high level chassis will be produced here in this plant. This plant is just very near to our headquarters. So our Vertemati 450 new racing bike will be produced here for the chassis. See, very smart, very good. So this is the robot robot here.
哦，等一下，做什么呀？
Robot? Not bad, huh? Oh, see, robot working. You see, even the very, very small spare parts was produced by robot. Very small parts. Good, very interesting, huh? So that's why actually many people say why Chinese products is so cheap. Because you see, the robot is working, not the people. The people's salary actually is not cheap now in China, but we use the robots. So that's why you see they're putting the material spare parts onto the jeep, then the robot will just read it. Not bad, huh? So that you see, this is why China products is really getting better and better, and the price can be even cheaper because the robot cost is lower than people, of course, and the quality is much better. See, everything is produced by robot.